Who has blank a star next to my friend's name? Answer option B, drawn. Who has drawn a star next to my friend's name? They are a blank slate. Answer option A, little. They are a little late. We blank not seen you for a long time. Answer option C, have. We have not seen you for a long time. I trust blank my abilities. Answer option B, in. I trust in my abilities. I am sorry for not blank to your message sooner. Answer option B, responding. I am sorry for not responding to your message sooner. My parents would blank to meet you. Answer option C, love. My parents would love to meet you. She learns mathematics, blank college. Answer option A, at. She learns mathematics at college. Tell him blank jokes. Answer option B, few. Tell him few jokes. I do not believe blank you. Answer option B, in. I do not believe in you. Everyone in blank here. Answer option A, invited. Everyone in invited here. Where did you blank college? Answer option A, attend. Where did you attend college? They have blank money saved. Answer option B, little. They have little money saved. Can anyone give me blank please because I have just fallen over? Answer option B, a hand. Can anyone give me a hand please because I have just fallen over? Who blanked that article? Answer option C, authored. Who authored that article?